Good morning this Monday, the 23rd of February. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, all three US equity benchmarks closed in the green after the US Supreme Court ruled against some of US President Donald Trump's global tariffs. The Dow Jones closed 0.47% higher, the S&P 500 up 0.69%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq advanced 0.9%. Now, looking at the day ahead, well, following US equities, our local market is set to rise 0.18% according to the SPY futures. And as we enter the final week of reporting season, the local market continues to be driven by stock-specific movements. Some notable updates from this morning's financial reports include that Fisher and Paykel Healthcare have upgraded their earnings guidance from the year to March. Reece reported a 20% fall in profit for their first half. Kogan.com increased its interim dividend by 14.3% to 8 cents. However, profit dropped to $8.2 million. Nuix reached a net profit of $11.1 million for the half in comparison to the loss of $10.4 million a year prior. And Ampol has reported a 33% drop in net profit for the full year. Now, two companies that Bell Potter are watching this week include Mineral Resources and Telix Pharmaceuticals. The broker maintains a buy rating on MIN with a 12-month price target of $70. At the current share price of $51.25, this implies 36.6% share price growth in a year. And Bell Potter have also maintained their buy rating on Telix Pharmaceuticals, but they have lowered their price target from $23 to $19. At the current share price of $10.43, this implies just over 82% share price growth in a year. Now, among the long list of companies that are reporting today, these include Adairs, Lend-Lease Group, Praemium, and Regis Healthcare. That's just to name a few. In commodities, crude oil is in the green at $66.48 per barrel, nearing a 6-month high following news that the US president is considering a limited military strike on Iran. The price of gold has rallied over 2% to $5,109.19 an ounce. Now, the appeal for gold was reinforced due to two key factors. First, following the Supreme Court's ruling against reciprocal duties, the initial dollar retreat was quickly offset by statements from the US president around signing a new 10% global tariff. In addition to the trade policy pivot, the US GDP data for Q4 was a disappointing report at 1.4%. And iron ore is trading lower at $99.33 per ton. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. I hope you have a great day, and as always, happy trading.